Here's the wood pile I've been walking by for days, and then finally notice these few hollow pieces. Lucky find. It'll be an interesting challenge to build a garden out of this. I'll start with this half-rotten chunk. The other one I'll save for later for another video. First, water. The rotten insides will absorb moisture and the dirt will stick to it better this way. As for plants, I have this overcrowded aloe vera planter that I wanted to thin for a long time now. One of these aloe vera plants will be perfect for the log garden. This piece of wood is like a shallow container. Shallow containers dry out faster. Succulents will be the best choice for it, as they are less affected by the lack of moisture. They're easy to propagate. You can stick a succulent into dirt, give it a little water, and it will take root. And different types of succulents with different growth patterns look very good together. A river rock will help hold dirt together and also look good with wood and plants. I'm going to add impatiens for color and just to have something different. We'll see how they'll do in this environment together with succulents. These feathers I found on my walk today. And the miniature statue is a perfect highlight for the log garden. Lord Shiva looks right at home here. Thank you for watching. Check out our Authentic Gardening channel for more videos about plants, gardening, and cooking from the garden. Please like and subscribe if you liked what you saw, and remember, I have that other log to build my next log garden. Hope to see you soon. Stay well and healthy, and enjoy plants and nature everywhere you can find it.